some disc brakes pads, disc brake pads. They look pretty, they call them performance pads. I'm not real certain are they ceramic or not. I don't think they're as good as ECB racing pads, but that Wilwood call them performance, and you get 4 of these in the kit, of course, 2 on each side. I'm not sure if they call these ceramic or not. I don't think they are ceramic, but they may be, but they're not saying. I'll give you the part number on that. You can look that up. Part number 1508855K. But anyway, you can get them in the kit. I'm gonna give you the part number to the spindle. If you're gonna run the spindle, the part number is, if you can see that, part number is 831-14202. That's the part number to the spindles. Let's keep this out of the box so I can see where I'm at. Also in the kit, you get these little bolts here, and these little bolts here bolt the hat and the rotor together. They bolt the hat and the rotor. I'll show you that when I pull them out of the box. And these are made to tie wire together from bolt to bolt to bolt to bolt with a tie wire. Now on my 83, I didn't tie wire them because I know I wasn't, tracking it, or my build was a mild build on the 83. Even though it's pretty fast, it was a mild build, so I didn't tie. I just Loctited them and I torqued them in. It's what they recommend if you wasn't going to do any heavy racing or any racing in that. But my 60, I'm building it to, bust some ass. So I'm gonna tie wire them together on the 60. So when I put these brakes together, I'll show you what I'm talking about when I do it. But I will be tie wiring these together on this setup here. That comes in the kit, of course. Also in the kit, it's part of the you get 2 of them. I don't want to take them out. It's just the bracket that goes to the caliper, that bolts the caliper onto the hook, onto the spindle. It's just in the stock stuff it would be called a PDB or PBD, but this just the bracket. The caliper slides on the bracket like this, and the bracket bolts to the spindle. And you get 2 of those with the bolts and everything, with shims. You get shims in the kit, bolts. I'm not going to cut this open because I don't want to lose anything. I want to keep it together until I'm ready to put it together. So, but you get the 2 bolts. You get some shims to space it away from the caliper or the bracket. And also too, you get, I tell you what, Wilwood don't mind giving you some stickers, boy, because I probably got about 12 stickers in just this one kit. Again, this here doesn't have a year on it. It doesn't have a year because it can go to any of the C10s. But this kit is set up with either 5 on 4 3/4 or 5 on 5 bolt powder. So it'll work with either one with this kit here for C10. And the part number is right there. 14015304. This is the front kit with the C10s. Actually, it can go on. It's universal. It can go on any. Well, it says C10, but it can go on any one of the trucks, though. So put that there. And pull out the first caliper. Now, if you watch my other video, the one I put big brake kit on my Caprice too, my 87 Caprice, but it's Corvette stuff. This is somewhat similar to that. Just a minor things are different, a few things are different. I don't think the caliber is as big as this one. It's 6-piston, but I don't think it's as big. So this is a different one. This is definitely different than the one on my box, but it's similar but different. But this here is a 6-piston. It's already powder coated black, shiny black. I didn't get the dull, I got the shiny. You can get these things in any color you want. Wilwood would do in any custom color you want. I think it is additional fee if you want to change it, other than, well, actually red is more expensive than black, but they and I think they have a gray which is more expensive. If you change from black, it's going to be more expensive. So, but anyway, if you see in there as I rotate it, you got 3 pistons on one side and 3 pistons on the other side, thus making it a 6-piston caliber. Nice finish on it. Dual bleeders, well, quad bleeders. Quad bleeders. One on each corner. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there on the other side of the rubber band. So these are pretty massive. They look like they've done quality. They've done pretty good. Dual, well, 6-piston caliber, pretty good. And this is considered, the caliber is considered to be a super light 6R. That's what this is, super light. So it is pretty lighty. It's all made out of all aluminum. Look like stainless steel pistons in here, so they won't rust. And that's weird. I never seen one without. You can tell it's just the stuff is racing stuff, because normally if you ever taken a caliber apart, it has rubber in it, like a seal. These don't have that. These are made totally different. Never noticed that though, but no rubber in that at all. So I don't know how it seals. Maybe that's why it costs so much. Well, honestly, to me, Wilwood is a lot cheaper than Bear, which Bear is more expensive. The company Bear that does disc brakes too, they sponsored by, well, they sponsor Chip Fuso and some of these other big names. That's the reason why I think that they're so expensive, because they got those cats following them. And to me, you spend less money on Wilwood than Bear, but to me, Wilwood is better. Not to say Bear is not that great, not good, but I think Wilwood is more affordable, and to me better. I think they're better because they're more affordable. Okay, next. This here is what they call a hat. And it's not going to look, well, this bolts to the rotor. I'm going to pull the rotor out because it's better. This bolts to the hat. This is called a hat, excuse me, don't bolt to the hat. But these bolts right here is what you use to bolt the hat down to the rotor. So let me pull the rotor out so you can see what I'm talking about. The thing's pretty heavy, so. This thing's massive. Look at that. Get it out of plastic. It'll be better, wouldn't it? Look how big this is. It's considered to be a 14-inch rotor. That's why you have to run at least 17-inch wheels on it. Let me see if I can tilt my camera down so you can see. Now this black here will come off, but you won't get it out of the holes. You won't get it out. It won't come out of the slots. These are slotted and drilled rotors, and they are directional. That means they only go on one side. It has an arrow on it somewhere right here. So this one right here is considered to be the passenger side. Massive. It's got powder coated all the way through, so it won't rust at all. You might get some surface rust here once the pad seat in, and you get it down to bare metal. If it rains and you have your vehicle outside, you will get some surface rust, but it will go away with the pads as normally as what like the other ones do. But you won't get, none of your vents will rust, and none of these holes will rust, the slots, just where the pad takes off the coating. And this sits, see if I can put one on, I'm gonna smash my finger. That's how that sits, like that. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see, put the phone here. There we go. You can see that sets on there like that. Then you would take your bolts. You would come from the inside with these, with a washer, and then you would go from bolt to bolt to bolt to bolt with a wire, with a tie wire.